Hello everybody, we are Team Pralay. Today we are virtually gathered here to perform our first activity as a team, to introduce ourselves. Each and every member of our team will introduce himself one by one. So I'll start with myself. I am Pranav Ruikar. I am from the small town of Shevgaon located in the district of Ahmednagar. This is where I did my schooling and graduated my junior college. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree from Government College of Engineering Karad in the field of electronics and telecommunication. I'm in the second year of my course, having a healthy CGPA of 8.49. Apart from academic interests, I love playing chess, or I should say strategic board games in general, such as checkers and Go. And I have to say, these games really helped me hone my strategical and tactical thinking skills. Now moving on to my technical skills, I learned C programming language as part of our curriculum in my first year. This was my introduction to the world of programming. Currently, I am undertaking a course on machine learning with Python, and I really hope to further improve my knowledge in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence in the near future. Now, during my first year of college, I volunteered as a leader on a science project. We did a presentation on the topic of gravitational waves, which was a really learning and humbling experience. It helped me vastly improve my leadership and management skills. I'm also part of various clubs in my college, such as the Dice Club and the Robo Club, which really provides me with some great extracurricular knowledge and skills. Now, as for my personal qualities, I have three important qualities: loyalty, integrity, and curiosity, which really makes me an ideal candidate for a task. Thank you. That's all about me. Now, I'd like to call upon Mayur Doke to introduce himself.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon to one and all. I am Mayur Doke from Pargaon district, Usmanabad. I am now pursuing my BTech in second year in stream of electronics and telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my SSC from Gore English School, Chausala with an aggregate of 94% and HSC from Dr. Chandrabhanu Sonone College, Ukadgaon with an aggregate of 74%. Moving towards my family background, I am basically belonging to a middle class family. In my family, my father is running a electronic shop, my mother is a housewife, and I have two younger sisters. As my father is my inspiration, so I am more passionate towards the electronics. Looking towards my skill, I am good in core. Along with electronics and telecommunication engineering, I am more passionate about programming languages C, C++, and Python. My strengths are hard worker, self-motivating, and dedicated towards my work. As a fresher, I do not have any work experience, but it will be proved when I am get selected once. That's all from my side. Thank you all of you. Over to you, Chaitanya.
Hello everyone. My name is Chaitanya Pramod Valvekar. I am from Islampur district, Sangli. About my family background, my father has a computer shop, sister is working in an IT company, and mother is a housewife. My hobbies are reading books and surfing on the internet. About my qualifications, I have completed my HSC from ABM High School, Islampur. I have completed HSC from Sanjay Ghodao Junior College. Currently, I am studying in Government College of Engineering, Karad, in a second year branch of electronics and telecommunication. I am good at the programming languages of C and C++. I have worked with my father in his shop of sales and services. Working there taught me the skills of salesmanship along with the technical skills of repairing hardware. Multitasking is my specialty. My strength is I am very hardworking and focused person. I am also good at problem solving and decision making. Thank you very much. Over to Harshavardhan.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you everyone for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Harshvardhan Satish Metkari. I am from Vita city of Sangli district. I have done my schooling from the Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir Vite and a junior college from the Balwant College Vita. I got 89% in the 10th standard and 77% in the 12th standard. I got a 94 percentile in the CET exam, and currently I am pursuing my BTech in second year of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My hobbies are playing chess and boxing. I also represented my school at a district level in both chess and boxing. I'm also good in C and C++, and now I'm also learning Python language. Sorry. I'm interested in machine learning and software development. I want to become a software developer in the multinational company. I'm a very enthusiastic, determined, and a hardworking person, and I want to use these abilities in to enhance company's reputation. Thank you. Over to Prathamesh.
Hello everyone. My name is Prathamesh Sadashimane. I am from the city of Pandharpur, which is located in the district Solapur. And currently now I am pursuing BTech degree in the electronic and telecommunication engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad, including I completed my 12th from the Baburao Jadhav College from Pandharpur. I completed my 10th from the Sri Datta Vidya Mandir Suste. Including in my hobby, I like to playing cricket and listening music. Along with my academic studies, as for technical knowledge, I am good at the C programming language. I did the course on C programming language with certification, and I also did the course on CCSI and career age and professional course with certification. With certification, the course taught me various skills like communication skills and presentation skills. I took part in the Science Day project, which is conducted by our college in first year. I was the leader of this project. We did the project on sci-fi technology. I am interested in the learning new things and worked on it. Thank you. That is all about me. Over to you, Sanket.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Sanket Ramai from Islampur district, Sangli. I am pursuing my degree in second year Electronic and Telecommunication branch in Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my 10th from Islampur High School, Islampur, and junior college from Karmel Bhaurav Patil College, Islampur. My interest in field of sports, coding, and many more. I have completed C and C++ language during first year. During my school days, I have worked as one of the NCC candidate. During that time, I have also attended various campuses where I am able to explore many things. I have also received scholarship from Maharashtra government during that time. Discipline, hard work, calmness during pressurized time are some of my skills that I have included my NCC time. I hope that I will be able to use these skills for the full benefits of the company. Thank you. Over to Atharva.
Hello everyone, I am Atharva Bhende. I have pursued my 12th from JNV Varda. I am currently pursuing my BTech in ENTC from JC Karad. Apart from my academics, I am good at football and I have represented my school at district levels. Talking about my technical skills, I am interested in learning JavaScript and working on my skills in JavaScript, and I hope to improve much further in future. Thank you. Over to you, Rana.
Thank you, Atharva, for giving me to introduce myself. My name is Rana Angad Mate. I am from Usmanabad district. I have completed my 10th in Shiv Parvati High School, Wagoli. Also completed 12th in Dr. Chandrabanu Sonone Junior College, Ukkadgaon. Recently, I have pursuing BTech in Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Karad. My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket. I am also very energetic person and quick learner. I also good in digital marketing. I am passionate about software development and machine learning. Recently, I have completed programming language like C, C++, and Python. I have Dice Club. I am also member of cultural committee and as a coordinator of develop my skills and knowledge. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Nextly, I would like to invite Ketan Patil.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank TPO for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Ketan Chandrakant Patil. I live in Kolhapur. I completed my SSC boards from Chhatrapati Shahu Vidyalaya, Kolhapur with a score of 87% and my HSC board from similar educational society with a score of 90%. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Recently, I have completed a course of programming in C and C++, which was introduced by NPTEL, in which I have secured a good score and a certificate as well. I have a keen interest in artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. Talking about my hobbies, I like to play chess, read books, and consume innovative tech content. My strengths are I am hardworking, disciplined, and always interested in creative and innovative things. My short-term goal in life is to grab and placement in reputed organizations, and my long-term goal is to invest my knowledge in upcoming tech startups. That's all about me. Thank you. Over to you, Shardul.
Hello everyone, my name is Shardul Shailesh Gokte. I am from Kolhapur. I have done my SSC from VS Khandekar Prashala, Kolhapur with 93% and diploma in telecommunication from Government Polytechnic Kolhapur with 98%. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in second year Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am good in academics. Talking about my hobbies are playing cricket, watching technical videos. Apart from this, I have good knowledge of C programming language and also completed a certification course in C language from Udemy website. Engineering, Jaisingpur. Talking about my strengths are I am self-motivated and hardworking, and also I am a fast learner and very enthusiastic person. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. That's all about Team Pralay.